So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Innovation Business Model and Entrepreneurship Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is which of the following is not an example of sustainable innovation? So these are the option: airborne windmill producing 50% more energy, a grass cutting machine using coal for energy, cardboard packaging including directions for turning it into something new, film farming tactfully curbing the issues of water scarcity and soil pollution. So the answer of our first question is B, a grass cutting machine using coal for energy. Now let's go to our question number 2. Gary Klein in his book Seeing What Other Don't mention 5 triggers: contradiction, connections, coincidences, curiosity, and creative dispersion. These triggers are commonly known as 5 C's of. So these are the option: marketing, insight, business, entrepreneurship. So the answer of our second question is B, insights. Now the third question is Santi Kunj Ashram Haridwar initiated and is persistently maintaining river Narmada cleanliness drive named Narmada Ji Ka Safai Abhiyan. It is an example of, so these are the option: societal development with reference to sustainability, societal development with reference to monetary benefits, corporate social responsibility, none of the above. So the answer of our third question is A. Now the fourth question is the process whereby new and improved products, processing materials and services are developed and transferred to a new plant or market where they are appropriate is the definition of DES given by Robinstein. So these are the option: marketing, financial management, innovation, entrepreneurship. So the answer of our fourth question is C, innovation. Now the fifth question is which of the following is not the correct association of a product and process with uses and problem. So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C. Process just in time, old product process, new uses, problem. Now let's go to our question number 6. New medication process which is just in time will fall under which category of product process uses problem matrix. So these are the option: category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Category 4, old product process, new uses, problem. Now the seventh question is the limits of investment in plant and machinery for a microorganization is dash. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is A, rupees 10 lakh, rupees 1 million. Now let's go to our question number 8. ASPIRE is launched by MSME with an objective to dash. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is A, to promote MSME by setting up incubation centers, technology centers to accelerate startups. Now, the ninth question is sustainable development requires balanced integration of its three important dimensions. Which among the following is not a dimension of sustainability? So, these are the option: economic dimension, logistic dimension, social dimension, environmental dimension. So, the answer of our ninth question is B, logistic dimension. Now, the 10th question is what are the benefits of innovations resulting from economic initiatives? So, these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, all of the above. Now, submit your answer. Thank you, friends, for watching our video.